Okay. Okay, I'm not sure why. Not sure why I didn't. I messed up my stream there, but I'm in the trade. I'm in profit so far. Looks like it wants to come down again. Do got this fair value gap here, so hopefully that's gonna hold. That's at 82. My risk-free should be invalidated if it wants to go down there. So it's on my 1 minute. What's my 5 minute look on? Still holding up a little. It's already been mitigated once. That's when it got mitigated and rejected off of it. So looks like I'm gonna take this out. We're getting out of there. It looks like it's struggling. I want it to come down a little bit more or show me a sign that it wants to go up. Get down here, I'm gonna buy it again. It's already broken that high, which is a bit of a pullback to continue higher. There's free again. Towards the bottom. A couple points there if it wants to take it. If it doesn't, we can go all the way up. Nice push up, got the volume stepping in now. Looking pretty good so far. Hopefully it doesn't reject off this high. We want to see it take out that high. And we're still looking at 400 as a take profit, I think. Maybe it might want to go higher now. We've already taken out this Asian. What you need, baby?
Scotch tape. The big one.
Yeah. Okay, so we're kind of tweezer topping on the top. I wanted to take a little profit. I'm at $100 for the day so far, so I'm not mad at it. Looking up there. If it goes down, it's going to probably really go down at this point. Is that considered a liquidity sweep? So let me look at the higher time frames. We're kind of in a downtrend, it looks like, on the 1 hour. We made a higher high and a higher low, so we are in the 1 minute we are making an uptrend. Could really look like it's shaping up, but we might really come down. We're almost gonna have an indecision candle. Well, we've got 2 hours left on that one. We've got 1 hour left on this candle. Love it to just pop up there. Still trending up. Okay, well, I'm liking that. Okay, we took out that high. We're making a fair value gap. Let's see what it wants to do now. Wants to wick down, maybe go down more. Our target's up there, so we're almost at our target. Took out that high, creating a fair value gap. There is a risk-free trade. Two-point risk-free trade. Okay. Okay with that. We got the fair value gap still up there. I'm already at a pretty solid day, so I'm not sure if I need to push it too much. Tweezers topping. Pretty big reject out here. We might even make a fair value gap. 15 seconds left on this candle. Not likely to make a fair value gap, so I'm going to go ahead and re-enter. Double down here. Did not make a fair value gap, so that's good, but it looks like it wants to come down. One more fair value gaps. 7-3. 7-0. Get this one. We'll get a reverse free again. Could have got out of there. Looks like it's struggling to go up now. Two points here, risk free. Not making a fair value gap, so I'm okay with this risk free up there. A lot of times you see this formation, it will take off when it makes that new candle up. It looks like that's what it's going to do. That's good. Does not want to break this, it looks like. Okay, now we broke through that. We're going to go all the way to our 400 now. Unless it wicks back again. We haven't had our real breakout move yet. You're gonna get 2 points either way. Now it's looking like we're running out of steam, but it's struggling to push up. We got a lot of aggressive buys up there. It's looking good. Okay, stir stepping up here. So we're gonna take that stop loss. Okay, it's okay. I'm okay with that. This is almost like a reversal type situation here now. So we are pretty good. Get some more to drink. This mine is up. We're gonna get in. We're gonna go to 400. Getting a little crazy now. I'm gonna pay attention. Just want to get to that 400 mark. That'll be the fair value gap test. We got a big wick, so I'm not that worried about momentum going down because we just pushed back up. We got a lot of aggressive buys there. If we tag in this, we still got room. Got 23 seconds left, so a lot of room to work on this candle. It's a big push down. I'm going to tag in that order, it looks like. Okay. Okay, we're tagged in that one. Looks like we are coming down now. So we'll see if we can't try to hold on to what we got. We are doubling down. We're kind of getting a little overextended here, which I'm not crazy about. Now we're just kind of in free fall. This is where I need to be careful. So now I'm not in profit anymore. And I can double down again. So now I want to do 11. Got out of that. In a risk-free trade there, not the bottom. Okay, I'm okay with that. 138. Their tweezers are bottoming. I'm going to get in again. Double down here. Still eyeing this around 400 level. Little dicey play, but I should get in a risk free here. Okay, I'm out. 150 for the day. That's still pretty good. Let me let me reevaluate from the top down because now it's getting a little dicey. I do like long here though for some reason. I'm gonna take long again. It's pushing down. I want to get into. Getting a risk free as soon as possible. May want to come down and touch us in. We are kind of in a downward trend now. We had that big move down, but we totally rejected it and went back up. So I'm going to get in a risk free as soon as possible for maybe a couple points if it goes. If it doesn't, then we'll try to double down our way out of it until we get into a risk free. May have been a little preemptive getting in here, but it's really moving, so 7 seconds. Not gonna create a fair value gap, it looks like. And this one, okay. Losing momentum to go down. Looks like we'll tag this in. Okay, getting risk free now. Risk free. I'd like to see it go up from here. Still got our one big wick, but it could come to wick us out. That's what I wanted to see. Could have actually gotten out of that. That was a nice little push up, and there's a lot of argument that still wants to go down, but we're in a risk free at this point. What we need to do. I'm in a risk free for 2 contracts actually. This is not what I really intended, but that could be good. We can back down. I'm gonna get a couple points out of it then. Could make a fair value gap on the way up here. Looks like it's going to want to come back down. I'm going to raise it to the bottom of this candle. Actually, I'm going to raise it to here because if it doesn't make a fair value gap, then we're going down. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get this to 1. Looks like we kind of want to go down now. Okay, let's look at top-down analysis again. Let's turn off this. So daily, we wicked up already. See, it wants to go up. I know it wants to go up. It's free. Okay, I'm out. Taking a fair value gap. See, this is where I might want to look down and just tank. So I need to be careful. So get in. Looks like it's coming down. This is at the top. In 2 contracts. I want to see it go back up and take out. But it's not. Okay, it's tweezers topping down, it looks like. And double down here. We could go up there. Okay, right there. 4-point risk free again. Oh, there we go. This is looking better. Okay, now we're going to take our profit. Okay. Going up. We're getting that 400. We are getting that 400 level. We are going to. Okay, we just took out that high. There's a double high. Nice big push up. we're gonna try to take profit at that 400 level, which is the fair value gap. I'm gonna go up. It is gonna take it or no? I might get out of it. And we're not. I'm out. I'm out of the trade. It's wicking down. I'm okay with that. 228 for the day. I'm happy with this. Actually, now we're like finally really moving. But we are getting to the top of this zone on the. So we've already mitigated it. We could wick down here because we have not mitigated it yet. So this could be a reversal off of this level. But I think I'm good for today anyways. Nice solid day. That counts at 2235 now. And let's see where I'm at for these 2 weeks. 67% win rate. I mean, the count's going up. The count is going up. The count is going up. I had a big drawdown situation. Let me see. Losing trades. Yeah, max drawdown. 429. See, that's not good. That would blow a $500 account. So that's not good. Average losing trade $28. Average winning trade $31. Total profit 4,000. 60%. So really not sure what to make of my stats here. Okay, so that was good. At 404 we wicked down. We're kind of rejecting off of this fair value gap probably. And that was the level. A solid day. I mean, 400. Was that today? Or was that yesterday? I think that was yesterday. Losing trade. Max drawdown. I think that was yesterday. It was a little dicey. Yeah, well, that was yesterday. So 429. I mean, this is Wednesday. So yesterday was an anomaly, but it did get us down there further than we wanted to go. But we do see a nice parabolic curve. We are kind of actually shaping our way up into like a ramp with the little jagged edges. I'm not perfect, but I think overall solid day. This is our shirt QQDD Etsy shop. You could buy some shirts we designed. So, well, I mean, I don't know what to make of it really. I think it is, I guess, a little bit risky. Out of all those 2 weeks, I did get to that $429 max drawdown. It is a rarity. It happened once over not a 2 week period at this point. So it did happen. It ended up because of that, I had a really solid day, almost $400 yesterday. So I don't know if I'm there yet. I mean, I'd like to get that number smaller. If I had a bigger account, it would be inconsequential. But I need to like earn it. I need to build. Okay, so now I think I'm done for the day, to be honest with you. Let me get a lay of the land with the market here. So the daily, I could still see it coming up. We did wick off the bottom. It may want to drop, but we mitigated this fair value gap on the 4 hour. We are starting to go back up. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to do a risk free though. Risk free. Okay, well, that was that. Do I want to see it pull back more for that? We'll see. We have created a 2 hour fair value gap. Could range our way down like it did last time. Created this fair value gap and then kind of range down because that was a pretty decent move. All right, that's it for today. Time for the profile pick.